Hello. So today we're going to work on old Woodford here. I ordered some new parts for the truck. I got some new headlights, some new turn signal lights, and some new LED lights for the truck. I've been having an issue with my truck where the lights have been flickering and it's causing like flashing rave lights when I'm out on the road. So I don't want to give anybody seizures while I'm driving down the road. And also these are getting a bit foggy, so it's time for an upgrade. Plus I think they'll look great. So we're gonna go ahead and just jump right into it, start installing these. I've never done this before, so this is not a how-to video. I'm just going to bring you guys along with me on this journey on replacing these. I've watched some videos online and it looks like it's gonna be a good time. So I'll go ahead and show you the parts that I got. Okay, so to start off, I got these headlights. These are just clear headlights from CompletePerformance.com. They specialize in older Ford truck parts. Man, these are really nice. Look at this. Oh, you can't really see. Hold on. So that's the difference right there. You can't really tell very much on camera, but these ones are pretty old. They're the same age as the truck. So I think it's time for an upgrade. I think it's gonna look really good. These also come with the, I want to say these are the side indicator lights. This is the left side, but use your imagination. Or sorry, this is the right side. Use your imagination. This will go right here. So you can see how that's different and a lot clearer. And the final piece is this bottom indicator light, which looks like this. Ooh, that's nice. So that's going to replace this amber colored indicator light. I think that's gonna look cool. So with these, I also got an LED indicator light. I'm not sure if this one, I think this one is LED. It might actually just use the same one that's in here. But speaking of LEDs, these are the headlights, or sorry, the bulbs. I can't say bulbs because they're LEDs. These are the lights themselves that I ordered from Firewire.com. As you can see, these are LED. They come with their own little built-in fan. I also bought this guy right here, which is a resistor. I'm hoping that this helps with my flickering issue, because these current ones, I believe, are actually the same brand as these, but they flicker right now. So I'm hoping that these, one, fix the problem, and two, keep them from flickering longer. So only time will tell on that, but we'll have to see. I'm gonna go ahead and list everything that I bought here in the description. The whole package here, except for the headlight or the resistors, I bought through CompletePerformance.com, and the whole package itself was about $500. So let's go ahead and get started with the install. I'm doing everything in my power to not have to take off this push bar or whatever, bull bar, whatever they call these. I may have to. I'm gonna try my hardest to get around it, which means getting to a screw that's way in here, way up in there, Morty. Oh gosh! Come on, come on. Holy crap. That was by far the worst thing I've ever had to remove. Can you guys see this? Thankfully no blood. whoever designed this needs to be shot. That was awful to get off. But now we can at least start stripping these parts and putting on the new stuff, so let's keep going. So in case you guys can't see, it's getting darker. I've been working on getting these stupid bolts out of this shroud piece for the last hour and a half. I finally got both of them. Oh, crap. But whoever designed this, I'm sorry. I don't know who hurt you, but don't take it out on the customer. Alright, hopefully you guys can see me. It is really dark now. This took way too long and is far too unnecessary for a headlight. Here, I'll just show you. Okay, so first of all, it's dumb. I shouldn't have to take off this much of the freaking truck to change the headlights. So just to recap, first of all, I had to take off the grill. This, or I guess this is technically like a brush bar of sorts that comes from the factory. I had to take that off just to get the grill off, right? And then to get the headlights out, there's a couple bolts that go, let's see if you can see it. They go through this hole right here and this hole right here. Those are pretty difficult to get to inside there. Even with taking out the batteries, it's pretty difficult. Once you get that out, then you have to do a bunch of bolts that hold in the front bracket, right? And you can't just take the headlight housings outside of the bracket. No. You have to take off the whole bracket. And then you can get to taking off the headlights. It's too cold and too dark now. I'm going to continue this tomorrow, but finally got that part done. So, I'll see you guys in the morning. Alright guys, so it's the next day. Like I said in the last part, it was dark, so I came out here today to continue working on this. So the complete performance video mentions that you get a snap ring pliers to get onto these little guys right here that are holding on the back of the bolts for the headlights. So I actually just got a flathead screwdriver and got them off. So now these should just slide out. Possibly. Hopefully. Ta-da! Okay, so it's a couple days later. Has snowed since the last time you guys saw me. And so I brought everything inside to work on because, you know, it's cold. So I got started on one of the sides. On the video through CPADDICT, they recommend that you get some washers for these two bolts back here so that the indicator light sits a little more flush. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it sits a lot more flush with the trim. So I just kind of put this one together to see how it looks, and I actually kind of like how it looks. So we're gonna go ahead and do the other side, and then we're gonna put the new lights onto the big bracket bar thing. So we'll go ahead and do that. Alright, this is going to be interesting. So I have to put these new ones back onto this bracket thing, whatever this is called. Let's just get into it and see how it goes. Nice! That looks awesome. Alright, let's do the other side. I'm gonna be honest, I don't think it was gonna fit. But it fits. Okay, so as you guys saw, I did that side, the driver's side. We're gonna do this side now. I mostly did that side off camera. One, because my battery died, so I ran inside and started charging it again. And two, I wanted to get an idea for how it works and how it goes in place without spending like, you know, 20-30 minutes of just pointless footage. So now that I have it figured out, I'm gonna go ahead and do kind of like a long exposure clip of me putting in this bezel with the turn signal and all the other lights as well. Because I put the LED flasher and the park light, all of those were in. So I'll go ahead and show you guys these ones on this side. So these are the LED flashers and park lights that came with the Firewire kit. This is the LED flasher. I don't know how well you can see that. Come on, camera. It's right there. There you go. Pretty simple. You just replace it with the bulb that's in the flasher spot already. And then here are the park lights, which I thought at first were replacement LEDs for the flasher because they're so small. But come on, camera. It's really not that hard. It's right there. There you go. So you just put these in the park light and the whatever one. So I'll show you guys that right now. Okay, and now we have the final piece. The new Firewire LED headlights. So this is literally just a plug and play. So I'll go ahead and put these in right now and then we'll get to adjusting the headlights. Wow! Them's be bright. Kind of loud too, actually. Nice!